Welcome to CodeBox, your hub for modern programming and software development. Learn Python, Java, C++, C#, JavaScript, and more. Build skills, write code, create the future. Have you ever wanted to send emails automatically using Python? Imagine sending notifications, alerts, or reports without opening Gmail. In this video, I'll show you a simple Python script that sends emails automatically using Gmail. This tutorial is beginner-friendly. You don't need any external libraries. We will use only Python's built-in modules. By the end of this video, you'll understand how email automation works in Python. Let's start with the code. First, we import the SMTplib module. This module helps Python connect to an email server. Next, we import email message from the email package. This helps us create and manage the email content easily. Now, we create an email object using email message. Here, we set the sender name, the receiver's email address, the subject of the email, and finally, the message content. This part is just like writing a normal email, but using Python. The setContent function is used to write the email body. You can change this message to anything you want: a notification, a warning, or a report. Python will send this text exactly as written. Next, Python connects to Gmail's SMTP server. We use SMTP_SSL to create a secure connection. SSL keeps our login details safe while sending the email. Gmail uses port number 465 for secure email sending. Now we log in using our Gmail address and an app password. This is important. We should never use our real Gmail password in code. App passwords are safer and recommended by Google. After logging in, Python sends the email using the send message function. Once this line runs, the email is sent automatically without any manual action. Finally, Python prints a message on the screen saying the email was sent successfully. This confirms that our automation worked correctly. This script can be used for daily reports, system alerts, registration emails, and many automation projects. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Python automation tutorials. Thank you for watching.